Hello Pelican, this is your very rare and not very often seen T50-24 booster. You ready for testing after being rebuilt, and here's our test machine, and get some light on the subject. Now then, switch to macro. Alright, what we've got here is our vacuum, and we've got constant vacuum, and then we've got our control vacuum. And what this means is that both of these gauges should go to 17 inches vacuum, and as the booster is activated, this dial remains constant, relatively constant, and this one drops to 0, which is measuring the vacuum differential inside our can. Here's the vacuum on this side of the diaphragm, and vacuum on the opposite side of the diaphragm. Now then, on this side we have a hydraulic, and there's input, there's output, and the input, this gauge goes up and maxes out, and then this gauge continues to measure the pressure on the input side, and on the output side this gauge goes up and will max out, and then this gauge will take over and read final maximum output. And so what we're going to do is find out how it works. Okay. Now we'll tighten up the hydraulic portion, and this is our master cylinder. Now we're activating the booster. Alright. Looking good. Now we'll release. Now we come over to now we recover. Now we come over to the hydraulic portion, and here's our input. And you see output all the way up to 900 psi. Now we'll do this again. We've got 300 psi input and over almost 1200 psi output. So let's say at 300. Now we got 300. We got almost 1200 psi. So that's a 4-to-1 boost ratio. Okay. Now here's everything at one time. Try it again. Now we're under pressure. Got no leaks. Input pressure is dropping because of the machine internally. My master cylinder is leaking. Good. Ready to go. Got a good booster. Ready to go.